I was quite surprised today to get a package in the mail from Jimmy Wilson. I wasn't expecting anything from Jimmy, so this box arrived and it's a heavy box. So I have no idea what's in here. For those of you who aren't familiar with Jimmy, Jimmy does wonderful customs, primarily bone shakers. He loves the bone shakers, does fantastic work. He has an Instagram page. I'll put a link to it in the description that you really need to check out. And he's also over on Bone Shaker Central on Facebook. If I remember right, he's one of the moderators over there. And he posts a lot of pictures of his work there as well. And if you haven't checked out the Bone Shaker Central group on Facebook, you really need to. There's some amazing stuff being done. But definitely check out Jimmy's stuff on Instagram too. But Jimmy, what did you send me? Why did you send me something? And what did you send me? There's a note. Good. There's a note. Let's see what the note says. I hope you can use this box for parts for some custom projects. Can't wait to see what you create. Thank you for your continued inspiration, Jimmy. And there's a sticker. Bone Shaker Garage. That's cool. That's really cool. So let me set. Oh, jeez. Oh. Speaking of bone shakers, I actually, this comes in really handy because the Diecast exchange channel that Keith, Outlaw Speed Shop, created. He has, I think, a quarterly. I think it's 4 a year, if I remember right. One every 3 months. There's a bone shaker custom build off. I have one that I'm this far along in so far, and it's due at the end of the month. So the theme is futuristic. And these are open top too, which I like because I can always close the top if I want to, but opening one is a lot more difficult. This must be what it's like to get a Silva challenge box. This is great. I mean, I know I'll use these. Oh, a troika. Gotta love the engines on this. What's this, way too fast? Yeah, way too fast. It's such a, the engines are great. I kind of wonder. Yeah, it's tempting, huh? More bits and pieces. I love this. See, this is, I don't really collect cars. I think most people realize that by now, that I don't collect castings. I just butcher castings. So I appreciate getting stuff like this, that's bits and pieces, because I can use them. I really can. So this is great. Oh, that's nice, actually. 55 Chevy. That's really nice. Shoot. Cloak and Dagger. I see Batmobiles and everything. I think this is the same Cloak and Dagger, just a different livery on it. But I see these and I see Batmobiles, but oh, this is, Jimmy, this is great. No wonder this was so heavy. I get it. I get it now. Speaking of seeing Batmobiles and everything, I see this as a Joker's penguin. Like Penguin mobile. Making this into one because it just seems so appropriate. Just painting it up properly. Oh, wow. This is cool, Jimmy. And it also tells me where you steal wheels from. What castings? Oh, wow. Oh, look at that engine. That's going to come in handy. Oh, this You know, this is great. I mean, this I wasn't expecting this at all. I wasn't expecting anything. Some interiors I can use. 70 Monte Carlo. That's actually pretty cool. I've never seen it painted up like that. That's really cool. But like I said, I butcher everything, so I will find ways to butcher all of this. Is this a Hot Wheels? Or... Oh, no, it's Jada Toys. 72 Chevy Cheyenne pickup. I love the exhaust on that. I love how they did that. And the Midnight Auto. Gotta love a Midnight Auto. I don't know that I've ever customized a Midnight Auto. Thinking about it. Wow, no wonder. Now I understand why this... I couldn't figure out why this box was so heavy. It's like, what could he be sending? Jimmy. I love it. Thank you so much. Be sure and check out Jimmy, Bone Shaker Garage. I will put links to his social media stuff in the description to this video. Thanks again, my friend. Jimmy, if I haven't said it already, he's one of the nicest guys in this hobby. So be sure and check him out. Thanks again.